What is up, beautiful people? Mr. P. So before we get going, I just wanted to show you what the whole trip looks like. The whole trip is gonna take about an hour to get there. You know, one little thing is when my wife's on the car, I have the car set to comfort mode with the acceleration at 9.9 seconds, but when she's not on the car, that's what I do. I put the car into super fast acceleration. All right, let's get going. What is up? I am officially at the NIO Delivery Center. The last time I was here was when I took delivery of my beloved EC6. Oh my god. So I can't believe I'm back here again. Oh wait, by the way, check out those wheels. Man, those wheels look nice. So I'm here to get my, there's this 3M UV coating film for the windows. So I'm gonna get that, and I'm also going to be getting the rear spoilers. Ooh, there's gonna be a spoiler for the top, you know. That's gonna look really nice. So let's go inside and let's get this thing started. Now I'm on my way to the service center because this is the delivery center, and there's no me playing with the fidget spinner. And we're going to the service center to get the rear spoilers, so that's pretty nice. So one thing they tell you to pay attention to is do not lower the windows for 7 days, because they apply that film, that wrap. It's on the inside. So yeah, that's something to be careful of. Here we have a good look at the NIO supercharger. This is what it looks like. So I'm here at the NIO Service Center, And what's cool is that Tesla is right over there, and NIO's got both sides. So you see a lot of NIO come in for, you know, maintenance, servicing, and all sorts of stuff. So that's pretty cool. This is what my steering wheel looks like right now at the moment. It's really nice, really plush, good feeling, but I want that extra touch of Alcantara. So what do I do? How about I go get something a little bit more personalized, the Mr. P variant. So this is what the steering wheel looks like afterwards. Got some nice Alcantara. Logo down here. Feels nice to the touch.